So getting into what's happening in the tropics, there is a lot going on. 3 areas to watch. We've got Invest 94 we've been talking about for the last couple of days, Invest 95, and then a buddy right behind Invest 95 kind of following in its footsteps. So let's start with Invest 94. This is in the Caribbean, Western Caribbean. It's a disorganized area of showers and storms moving towards the Yucatan Peninsula. And then getting into this weekend, it'll continue to move to the west-northwest, eventually ending up in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. And then it'll continue to push into Mexico by early Monday. So a lot of heavy rain headed for parts of Central America and Mexico this weekend. So we don't have to worry about that here locally. Great news. Now further out in the tropical Atlantic, there are those 2 areas we are watching. Really the biggest one we'll be keeping an eye on is Invest 95 because it looks like that will probably become our next named storm either later today or tomorrow, and that would be Beryl. So we'll be watching that closely as it moves westward towards the Caribbean. It looks like it will move into the Lesser Antilles by Monday. This is Monday, July 1st. So if you have any plans down here or family down here, make sure they know that this is likely headed for them early in the week. And this will continue to move westward through the Caribbean, getting into Tuesday and Wednesday near the DR, and then continuing to move westward. This is Thursday, the 4th of July. It's still in the Caribbean later next week. And then beyond that point, models kind of diverge on where it's going to go. So this is something we'll be watching closely for sure over the next couple days. Make sure you're checking back in for the daily forecast for the updates with this. But so far over the next week, there are no tropical concerns here along the Gulf Coast, which is great news. But beyond that point, of course, we'll keep you updated to see if there are any big changes. Here's our 7-day forecast. Everyday temperatures in the low to mid 90s. Will be hot and humid, pretty typical summertime pattern from now through next Thursday. Every day giving us that chance for some scattered showers and storms, but our rain chances may go down a bit going into next week.